So let's dive in deeper to the shortcodes that we can use on a template page. So when I open a content block here, like the first paragraph block, you can see these two icons up here in the toolbar. So let me just find a place where it would be okay to maybe add the name of the city that template is correlated to. So for example, we could write our flood cleanup company in, and then we just click here on the landing page generator shortcodes. And here we get a long list of location-specific shortcodes we can use. And shortcodes are basically just placeholders that will be filled in with actual content, dynamic content, when we render the landing page. So in this instance, on this template page, I'm just gonna click on the city shortcode. Just gonna hit OK here. And now you see this placeholder here will then on the landing page be replaced with the actual city name. And just in case, I'm gonna just copy this here. I'm gonna add this to all of the content blocks. Flood cleanup in, our flood cleanup service in city. Okay, hit update. So now I'm gonna go to the Utica landing page. I'm gonna hit refresh here, and here you can see flood cleanup in Utica. If I go to the Washington landing page, the refresh button, we can see our flood cleanup service in Washington. So then let me go back. Maybe delete this here, and then we can try some other shortcodes. And we have a bunch of them. You can add dynamically the phone number, the city and the state, city, state, and zip code, and so on and so forth. There's almost no end to these. So for example, now let me add maybe, you know what, let me add the city back, and then I just do comma and zip code. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this over to the other content blocks. City, comma, zip code. City, comma, zip code. Hit refresh here. Now we have the zip code for the city of Utica. Refresh here. Zip code for the city of Washington. So yeah, you get the idea. You can use these shortcodes everywhere in the content blocks, and then of course you can also pull other random content blocks into another block through a shortcode. So you know, like in our case, like we did earlier, if we wanted to grab an image here randomly selected, all we had to do is copy the shortcode here, go into the, oh, what happened here, just hit update. Okay, so after the first paragraph, we want a random image from the general images panel. I'm just going to add this to all the content blocks, update. And then here's randomly selected image, Washington landing page, randomly selected image. Yeah, and this is how you get completely unique landing pages with, you know, the dynamically the dynamic city name, zip code. We can add the phone number, the state, the county. Pretty much all you need.